who will expand? The outer layer will expand or interior layer will expand? Outer layer. And when the outer layer will expand, then in the night outer layer will contract, and over the period outer layer will exfoliate. Getting my point? So I said that in this case, who in the heat insulated rock will expand and contract? Only outer layer. Only outer layer. Only outer layer. क्या होगा? Expand by absorbing heat in the daytime and contract by releasing heat in the night time. Expand, yes, and contraction. Such a regular phenomena. Regularly. This phenomena will cause what? Breaking of outer layer. Breaking of outer layer, and that is known as onion peeling or exfoliation. Understood it? So another physical weathering phenomena is, I said, that exfoliation. And then earlier we have seen block and granular disintegration. Next one, physical weathering phenomena is, I said that ice crystal wedging or frost wedging. Ice crystal wedging or frost wedging. Wedging means pressure. Wedging means pressure. So suppose I said there is a rock and this rock has cracks or joints. This rock has cracks or what? Joints. Rock has what? Cracks or joints. And this reason, ये कौन सा reason है? Reason is higher mountainous or colder region. And in this region, night में temperature get below 0 degrees Celsius. In the night, temperature get below 0 degrees Celsius. Or part of a year behave like this, or throughout the year, part of a year or throughout the year, part of a year or throughout the year, if this phenomena behave like this, तो क्या होगा? So you know that in the night time, if the water is in the daytime in the cracks, water is there in the daytime in the cracks. Clear? So water, it is in the daytime. Night में क्या हो जाएगा? It will convert into ice crystal. Why? Since temperature is below 0 degree Celsius. And you know that the volume of ice volume is greater than volume of water. And how much greater? 9%. How much greater? The volume of ice is 9% more than volume of water. So what will happen when it will convert into ice crystal? It will put pressure on each other. So increased volume of ice will put pressure on cracks of the rock. Cracks of the rock. Clear? Next day what will happen? Morning, ice crystal will convert into water. Again normal, then next day again. So what will happen? The next day there will be accumulation of more water, more ice crystal, and slowly it will lead to complete disintegration of such a regular phenomena will cause disintegration of rocks into particles of rock. Disintegration of rock into particles of rock. And then pressure को क्या बोलते हैं? Pressure is wedge. So it is due to ice crystal. It is due to ice crystal. Therefore we can say it is an ice crystal wedging, or we can say frost wedging. And you can be able to see. So within the cracks the water will be there, and over the period it will help in breaking the rock into what is finer particles of rock. So we have seen, like I said, block and granular. Thereafter we have seen exfoliation, and then we have seen, I said, frost wedging. Another, you know that if I say it is in a substance and solid substance, if I am putting in a more pressure over there, so it will bend like this through some angle. Yes or no? Yes. And it is known as a shear force. Class 9th and 10th में भी आपने सुना होगा shear force. तो मैं इस सब्सटेंस को, इस टेबल को मैं फोर्स करूं तो ये थोड़ा सा नीचे से वैसे ही रहेगा. फोर्स इज मोर ऑन द अप, सो इट विल बेंड लाइक दिस. सो इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? shear force. I said that similarly over the mountainous region something is happening also. Another one we are going to see, another physical weathering is sapling. Sapling, S-A-P-P-L-I-N-G. I said that this is in a rock, and this rock from this side, if I say that, suppose करो कि layer of rocks है यहाँ पर, but in this region what happened, I said that यहाँ पर किसी जगह पे हो सकता है बहुत सारे cracks हो rock में. So here you are seeing the large amount of cracks are there. What is the position of this rock? यहाँ पर कैसा दिख रहा है? If you see that here, if this is the slope is there, and here the rock is like this, तो ये स्लोप जो है एक्चुअली में इट इज लाइक दिस, and the surface of the rock is not smooth, you know that it is not a smooth one, and then surface of this rock, ये आपस में कैसे जुड़े हुए हैं, how do they are interlocked? So I am showing you the enlarged form. यहाँ पे क्या दिखा रहा हूं मैं, enlarged form. So what is happening, यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है, स्ट्रेंथ है जिसकी वजह से ये रॉक इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. So can we say that here it is in a shear strength is more? और इधर से जो इस रॉक के पार्टिकल को जो इधर गिराना चाह रहा है, रॉक को नीचे गिराना चाह रहा है, इसमें से तोड़कर बाहर निकालना चाह रहा है, who is doing this one? Who is doing this one? Shear force. Who is doing this one? तो ये मुझे बताओ, when it will disintegrate? When it will disintegrate? When the shear force is greater than shear strength. When it will disintegrate? जो ये फोर्स जो नीचे में गिराने का है, under the gravity, when the shear force is greater than from the rock, it will detach. लेकिन ये कब होगा, जब इसके अंदर में पानी आ जाएगा, when the water will come in this one, so it will become what? Shear strength will decrease. Yes or not? After the rainfall, इसीलिए बोला जाता है ट्री लगाओ, and that is also known as a landslide. I said that who is causing it? Who is causing it? Water is causing it, making it lubricate. Finally, is what is happening? When the shear force is greater than shear strength along the mountainous slope. Strength का मतलब है there it is in the form of like this. And और ये नीचे जाना चाह रहा है, it wants to go like, but it's not able to go. So therefore it is in a strong rock. But what happened? पानी यहाँ पे आ गया. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, माउंटेन्स पे ट्री लगाते हैं. ट्री लगाते हैं तो क्या होता है, सभी को जोड़े हुए रहता है. बहुत सारी चीजें मैं बताऊंगा मैं over the period. I see. So what is I said that sapling is what? Disintegration of rock into particles of rock along mountainous or plateau slopes. Where it is happening? Yes, sapling. It is a disintegration of rock into particles of rock along mountainous or plateau slopes. And when it happens? It happens when shear force become more than shear strength. Understood? Shear force become more than shear strength. And this way the breaking into which block disintegration, generally it is breaking into which form? Block disintegration. Understood? So, and it is happening. और ये किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? ऊपर में, if I say that suppose the trees are there, then the soil will be also there, and then soil will be there. और जैसे जैसे soil क्या होता चला जाएगा, remove हो जाएगा, trees हटा दोगे, the river when the rainfall is happening, then it will also what is an erode this one easily soil, and then easily rock के cracks में भी entry हो जाएगा. So unloading helps. Ultimately, who is helping? Unloading. इसका मतलब exposed soil. Yes or not? Eroded away. And finally, कभी कभी आप पहाड़ों पर ये सारी चीजें देखते हुए देखेंगे, बड़े बड़े रॉक गिरते रहते हैं. ये कहां से? It is known as a sapling. That is known as what? Sapling. Next one, I said that another physical weathering is salt crystal. S for sapling, another is a what? Salt crystal. Next one I am talking about salt crystal. You know that